Today, we are very excited to welcome Wilson,
Hi.
a graduate of our mortgage broker program at Quick Pass Master, back to the Canadian Real Estate Academy. Wilson, thank you for joining us.
And you're always welcome, Dan.
Could you briefly introduce yourself to everyone?
I graduated the program since like a couple months ago, Dan. By the way, then I'm already hired from one of the broker. I'm representing THS right now.
How did you first hear about our mortgage broker tutorial course at Quick Pass Master?
You know what? With the day then I joined the exam, then I find it really frustrated. And then I just try to search from net everywhere then. Find the bands and the team there is offering some like the training program on it. So I just contacted the admin needy.
In your opinion, what is the biggest advantage of joining our tutorial course at Quick Pass Master compared to studying the program on your own?
Oh, I see. By the way, then training program is really intensive then. To try to give you more detail on even like more example to make you understand what's going on for the market. And then Benson, sometimes if you have any question about that, you can text him, email him to get a right answer right away.
How do you usually arrange your study schedule? And do you have any tips or methods that you would like to share with the future students?
Oh, that's a really good question then. Schedule really important for yourself then. As an adult then, I'm the father, I'm a full-time worker used to be, and then I have to arrange my part-time study schedule. And then before my exam, I take my whole month off and then schedule each chapter, practice question, and if I have any concern and something if I really understand it, I just make sure I keep the right out to Benson.
Was the mortgage broker exam challenging for you?
It's really challenging. Yeah, honestly, really challenging then, because you know what? I have been more than 20 years haven't touched a textbook then. The mortgage broker is like a full-time program then, really intensive. So what you recommend you guys then, make sure you guys spend time and then prepare well before your exam.
Now that you already successfully passed the exam and officially licensed, what are your plans moving forward? Have you joined any team or brokerage?
Yes, as I mentioned then, I joined one of the brokerage team already then. The teams are called THS. It's located in Vancouver for more than 20 years.
Finally, if someone is still hesitating about getting their mortgage broker license, or they are worried about lacking the time, do you have any advice you would like to give them?
Simple question then. Just make sure your priority then, if you're able to spend some time, then would be great.
Thank you again, Wilson, for sharing your journey with us. And congratulations on getting your license. If you are still interested in entering the mortgage industry, we welcome you to join our Quick Pass tutorial program. Let us help you to save the time and pass the exam more efficiently.
Thank you.